Hello, welcome once again. In this session, we will be discussing about sliding. Uh, in sliding, we are into two parts. One are Cotswold made accessories, and others mostly what we use are actually the master accessories. But most accessories what we are now promoting and pushing are ma master accessories. So we will be going in detail with the master accessories. Make sense? Mustaf bhai, welcome. He is one of our friend and our customer from Indore. He has also joined. Even though I'm showing you the Cotswold catalog, we are referring to the master accessories, or straight away we can go with master catalog also. This is the master sliding catalog, what we will be discussing. Basically, sliding could be divided into broadly the categories of single point locking, multi-point locking in sliding, and the locking mechanism, which could be single point or multi-point, the handle range, as explained earlier in the curtain wall range, and thirdly are its rollers. These are the basic three categories: handle, locking points, and its rollers. These are the broadly three categories in which the sliding could be divided. Swiftly, we will go with the catalog and we will discuss about, then we will further discuss about the accessories. This is the flush handle category, which comes into premium in master. This is a premium range. And this is multi flush handle with multi-point locking. I will just open one presentation for you guys. Just hold on. Okay, this is it. Hope you are able to see my screen. Is it? Sandeep? Mustafa bhai? Screen
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
of course. Of course.
Okay. We'll start with this particular slide, which is related to sliding. Uh, Sliding hardware overview, product and services, project references, and conclusion. This is typically a sliding two-track, two-shutter. or I think one mesh shutter is also over there, uh, in which typically the single point locking is shown over here. Uh, Broadly, as I explained you just now, uh, uh, our accessories of sliding can be broadly divided into three categories. One is a handle, other is the locking points, and third is the rollers. In this way, it works, and depending upon customer requirement, geography, budget, and wind pressure and all, this locking point could be single or it could be multi-point locking. The difference between single and multi-point locking is here in single point locking, it locks only at one location, single location. Even though how big or small window is, it doesn't matters. In multi-point locking, what happens? Depending upon wind pressure, budget of the client, and requirement, then acoustic insulation and locking which is required. The number of locking points could be one, two, three, four. I remember in one of the project, the window size was around 3.5 meter tall around, and we had given and suggested five locking points with a long handle. It was just like lift and slide handle it was, and we had suggested some extension along with the nib holder type, and we had given five locking points. Above it was three, and below it were two below the handle like this. This is possible uh, depending upon customer requirement. This is the broadly the sliding how it works. Moving to the next slide, this shows a sliding window. It is shown earlier. Also, this was the location of sliding window. I think this is sliding door, which it meant to be with double adjustable and single adjustable. Then this is the typical. It's working details. This is I think 29 series, in which you can see this is the flush handle. This is the nib. This is the counter plate and the roller. Basically, these three accessories are mandatory to be used in a window. As you can see here, the handle is necessary, nib and counter plate are the mandatory, and roller is mandatory. Apart from this, all the other plastic accessories which are used to increase the efficiency of the window, which can be excluded if at all customer is not really ready to pay. But these three are mandatory, without which the window cannot be completed. The handle is there, nib and counterplate is there, and the roller is there. And now in this particular below section, you can see this is the multi-point locking details are shown. Handle is there, then connecting block is there, then nib holder is there, nib is there, counterplate is there. This is another option which is just shown or representation. One more option is there with SPAC type. What are those? How it looks is probably covered in the next slide. Coming to next slide. This is how the flush handle which looks like. This is the flush handle. This is the nib. This is the insert type of counter plate. This is single roller, single fixed roller. This is single adjustable roller. This is the double adjustable roller. Again, for multi-point locking with nib holder option, this is the handle. This is the one what we checked in the morning. These are the same accessories. This is the transmission rod. These are the connecting. Uh, this is the connecting blocks. This is the nib holder. This is nib, and this is insert type of counter plate. There is another option in multi-point locking in which the handle is there. This is called an S-pack, which is having just like in UPVC S-pack. These are the similar S-pack which are having an adapter in the back side to having a lift for the transmission rod to operate. This is a close view of the accessories which are used in. This is the handle, the same handle what we checked in the morning. These are the connecting blocks. This is the transmission rod. This is the nib holder. This is the counter plate. And this is the nib which is inserted in this. How this is, I will demo you in the next few videos. This is the multi-click handle. These are the S-pack. And these are the adapters which used for it. This is double adjustable roller, single adjustable roller, then single fix roller, nib, counter plate, and flush handle. Coming back to our catalog once again, we will have just an overview with the master catalog. After that, we will go precisely with Cotswold catalog as well. This is a premium segment in which these are basically high-end premium accessories, which are actually by master. Those are supplied to some system companies also. We had done few of the projects along with these accessories. I will just like to show you. Okay. Playlist again by going to playlist and going into the sliding section. This was a testing done for anti-mishandling device. Along with that, how it anti-mishandling device is work is shown. The same handle is there what I shown in the catalog, and why anti-mishandling device is necessary is shown in this video. As you can see, a precise slim type of counterplate is used over here, and if a heavy with impossible to close the lock when sash is open. When sash is open, it will not go to the lock position. When you bang it, nothing will happen. But at all, if this is not used, anti-mishandling device is not used, what will happen is shown just next to this. Now this locks only in the lock position. In premium category, these all accessories are used, which are necessary also, and most of the system companies use it. That's why they charge premium. No damage on the locking plate is observed. Now this is removed without AFM, which there's a shortcut for this anti-mishandling device. We say it is possible to close the lock when sash is open. Now the sash is open and it is taken on the close position. Now it's operational. If accidentally what happens, it is taken to the locking position and it is banged. Now this gets locked. But in the lock position, if it is banged, it will break the counter plate, which is demonstrated next to this. Lock is closed and banged. Locking plate is broken now. Can you see here? Can you see here, guys?
Yes, sir.
I think.
Yes, yes.
Okay. You can see here the counter plate, the locking plate is broken here. These type of premium accessories or the additional components are recommended or used whenever the premium type of products are there, which we do have. We have to just justify this to our customer as shown in this catalog initially. If you see this catalog, you will find the same handle is used and been suggested, and you will find this was the cap which was fixed there, and anti mishandling device, and this type of handles.
पापा दूसरी गाड़ी आ गई दूसरी गाड़ी आ
मुस्तफा भाई
गई
जरा सा उसको म्यूट करना आप. Okay, coming back. Now, if you see this, we do have used this in few of the project, and we had put this in one of the exhibition. As you can see, this was put in the exhibition stall in Zag. The same handle. Sliding door along with Sotamo hardware. Sliding door with multi-point locking. This is full handle along with locking, 3-point locking. One, two, and one is the three. You can look at in here. Located here, along with anti-mishandling device. This device, unless and until this device is pushed, this will not operate. This lock. And this is unlock. This could be used in multi-point locking as well as single point locking. In this case, this is single point locking. This is locked. I would like to show you the same from outside as well. Thank you for watching the video. This is multi-point. Hope you are clear how this is worked. This is the anti-mishandling device which was shown in the demo. This is the nib and counter plate. Sandeep, hope this is clear for you.
Yes, sir.
Basically, handle
Yes, sir.
and counter plate are basic things to lock any window. As you can see in our home also, basically the flush handle is there, your nib is there, and counter plate. These are the three basic accessories, handle point of view, and two rollers are there. These are the basic three categories: handle, nib, counter plate. I cover it as an locking kit. Handle, nib, counter plate, and roller. These are the three basic categories which are required to complete any sliding window. Unless and until these three articles are used, the locking will not be complete. Okay, then depending upon our customer budget, requirement, feel, aesthetic, then Italian hardware, Italian good design handle, these all accessories can extend. Okay. Now I straight away go to first of all single point locking accessories. After that, we will come back to the multi-point locking accessories. In master, basically these three or four type of locks are there. This is the longest one, which is having the 195 mm long handle. Then the other is 176, 153, and one with the other one with the manual. Basically, this is the handle how it looks like, and the handle need to be, this is the smaller handle in this. Then the handle with key model is also available. Then one side handle and other side with the key option is also available. We must have video for this. One side sliding, sliding, one side. We had done one project. Probably I have not saved that video last time in the YouTube, but it was there. Anyways, it's not there now. This is also another option in which you can fix the flush handle from one side and handle with key from the other side. Imagine this is your inside and this is an accessible balcony from the outside, or any corridor where a limited access or public access is also possible in the office, or just small type of offices are there where the shutter is there. Again, one actually accessibility is there. In that, you operate shutter to completely open and close in the evening, but in the afternoon, if you want to go just for lunch or this and all, you close the sliding partition and you just go on for lunch and all. This is possible in this. This is the this is the pull type of handle which doesn't locks, but it gives a better hold to just slide the window. These are type of locking where the shutter width is very much high. As you can see here, the shutter width which is beyond 28 mm to 45 mm. This type of additional progressive counterplates are used, in which the counterplate is fixed like this and the locking is applied like this. This is not the generic type of lock, but locking is done from the head of the handle. This is an additional accessory which is used in this, and it locks from the head of the, this is the general nib. This part is called nib. I will just try to highlight once again so that everybody is clear. This part is called nib. This part is called counterplate. This is a special cap which is fixed below the counterplate so that it holds and avoids burglary from the outside. How it resists the burglary from outside, I will just try to explain here. Imagine this is the closed track and this is open track. Okay, and imagine this is your inside and this is your outside. And suppose this type of door is there in your balcony or terrace, which is on the ground, or some accessibility is there. And imagine this type of a shutter is there, which is fixed from here and which is having like this channel. Okay. And if anybody comes from the outside and if he applies a screwdriver and he is no well-known person of the knowing of the hardware, and if the handle is on a manual mode or something, and if he pulls from the outside, the handle will slide up and it will close. It will unlock the window, and he will be able to come from the window. To avoid this, and to have the close type of function in the sliding window, this particular cap is used from the back side. If this is applied in this closed type of shutter from the back side, nobody can access your window from the outside. This is a safety cap which could be used. Also, it allocates the counterplate very well so that there is no misalignment in that counterplate. These are the two functions of this particular counterplate. These are all the system companies in which master supplies, or even if it is in India, people buy the master accessories for it. As such, Domal 40 is there, Hydro is there, then DFV is there. It's not very popular in India, but it's an European brand. Metra is there, then Sapa is there, Toma is there. Whoever are in industry, they are aware about these names. Anyways, this is the pull handle. If at all somebody wants to, the shutter is too heavy, suppose imagine a shutter of 180 kgs or 200 kgs, 220 kgs, and a old aged person is there and he wants to pull the handle at that time, over the flush handle, pull handle is possible to be fixed, which is shown in this video, in our exhibition video, D-type pull handle. We do have that option. We have already supplied. This is the full type of handle. As the sliding door with single point locking and pull handle, D type of handle with key type of say flush lock. And this is multi-point locking with Cremon type of handle. I would like to show you first of single point locking in the D handle. Along with D handle, this is the release position, whereas in you can open and close. Now I will lock it. I lock it. Now this is locked. You can take the keys away. Now I put the keys. This is on. This is released. This is along with single point locking over here with Rawal rollers. Obviously. This is Cremon type of handle. This is release position. This is the lock position. This is 3-point locking over here with polyamide rod and multi-point locking nip holder options. I would like to show you the nip and nip holder as well. This is nip and this is the nip holder inside. This is nip holder. This is the polyamide rod. One is inside and one is outside. I would like to show you how it looks from outside as well. Thank you for watching the video. This is how the pull type of handle works. Coming back, this is the pull type of handle. This is a generic one type of handle, which is a low segmented and low budget type, which could be used in like this. This is another type of budgeted handle from Master. This is a Passador limiter, which could be used in the center, and this is very cost effective. Also, it can be used in the center shutter, but it's rarely used in India. But we do have supplied this in few of the project. It works like this. In this video, we will explain the center lock. As you can see here, this is sliding two-track two shutter. In this, a centrally lock is used as shown over here. This to use this, we have to make a hole in the secondary shutter, sliding shutter like this, and this looks like this. When you apply this button, this knob will get engaged inside, as you can see here. Now this is
This
locked,
gets locked.
and nobody can open. This shutter will not go this side, nor this shutter will come this side. This is locked now. And if we release this, now you are free to access the balcony. Also this area is now free. Again, I will show you how it gets locked. The bushing is required from the back side. Probably in this side, the bushing was not used. Normally, a bushing is there in the back side, which is metal made, and this guides this inside and it works very well. In this particular video where the customer has used, bushing is missing over. This is locked now. Hope you understood the video. Thank you. सर ये हमने लगाया है प्रशांत सर ये coming back to our slide, this is how it works. The same handle what I shown just now is it's this handle, and a key type of model is there. It works like this with the key, with the additional security which is required. This is all the system companies which it could be used. This is dummy type of simple type of dummy handle where mosquito mesh and all is there. At that particular time, you can this could be used. Now, these are the additional accessories which are used for better performance of the sliding system. As such, this is a drainage cover cap with the one-way wall. What happens at a time if you don't use the drainage hole, it may happen especially in a rainy season and all. The track will get flooded, and eventually the water will come inside. To avoid this, a uh, a, a drainage cap or drainage pipe is used, in which the design is made as such that the water gets drained out very easily, and it cuts the flow of the water and doesn't have that capillary action to get the water inside. And there is one flap which allows to go water outside, but doesn't comes inside. This is the speciality of this drainage system. Coming to the roller programs, depending upon customers' sliding system, weight of the shutter, and budgetary and the performance which is required, type of rollers are being designed in the kitty of master. As you can see, this is the same roller with ball bearing, the same roller with inox. Inox is needle bearing, and same roller with POM, which is the lower weight carrying capacity. All the three rollers are same, but having the different capacities depending upon type of roller being used inside of it. This is ball bearing, this is the low capacity needle bearing, and this is high capacity needle bearing. Now this is typically 37 type of roller, which is having a capacity with inox 120 kgs. Here it is 90 kgs. This is 27 type of roller, a 50 kgs capacity. Here again 90. This is 45, 45. In this way, they look like this. This is typically how the roller works or functions or operates. And this is how the compatibility check is been done in the profiles. This is single fix roller. This is single adjustable roller, which is having a capacity of 5 mm adjustment, 2.5 mm up, 2.5 mm down. The adjustment is in the roller is very necessary because I will just try to demonstrate you on the screen what happens. Imagine a window to be like this. If suppose a window is like this. Okay. This shutter will go this side, and this shutter will come this side. Okay. Now this is the outer frame. In fact, I will make the shutter frame. This is the shutter frame. I'm hypothetically drawing. Imagine that this is going this side and this is coming this side. And what happens? There is a gap over here. I'm hypothetically showing the gap doesn't come so big, but suppose a 5 mm gap is there, and it's having a air and a vision, air and water is coming from outside, or even the light is coming. At that particular point of time, it's necessary that there should be an adjustment in the rollers. Now, normal without adjustment roller, they only keep on running uh, this side and this side. There is no adjustment in that. Whereas in an adjustable roller, there is an provision to adjust by the Allen key. Adjustment is done. What happens in this adjustment? The wheel gets up and down 2.5 mm, as explained. If this wheel goes up, this will come down, or vice versa. If this goes up, this shutter will go down, and eventually, depending upon a requirement, the shutter will adjust itself as such that this gap is fulfilled. Which is shown here. This is the grub screw. The Allen key is required to be fixed over here. Just a minute. Hello. Chitna, training chalo training. I will call you. I will call you. In this Allen key is used with the handle. That's why it's suggested that whenever you fix the roller, it shouldn't be not more than 50 mm from the side edges. So that, especially in the adjustable roller, so that if required, one can just remove the interlock and all, and you can adjust that the rollers if required. Next, this is double adjustable roller. Double adjustable roller again. These are the types of roller depending upon customer profiles. The type of roller could be used. This is the heaviest roller among all, which is typically used in 37 mm cages with 180 kgs of capacity with two rollers. These are the interlock caps, or nylon cap, machining cover cap is also it is called, which has two function. It hides the machining which is done at the interlock section for the track section, and second thing, it guides the shutter so that shutter doesn't goes off the track and roller performs very well. These are all the machining details which are required to fix the typical type of cover cap which are being shown on the slide. This is safety or shock observing plug, which is used as shown in the earlier window, and this takes the shock and allows resist the locking nib to get bang and break. These are a type of shock absorber plug. Depending upon profile, those are used. This is the anti-dust plug, which is used in the interlock section area so that dust is not accumulated, hairs are there, especially where the accessibility is too much and dust accumulation and hair accumulation makes the rollers jam enough. After a couple of months or years, the roller becomes jam and unusable. This is a shock absorber plug or door bumper, which is used in the sliding so that the handle doesn't resist uh, outside. We do have the video for showing it. I will just like to demonstrate it. Hope you guys are not sleeping, huh? Because after food, this type of session it becomes very critical to tolerate. The person who is speaking, he doesn't speak, but others, if the questioner is not there, they may sleep. These are the sliding windows. This is with multi-point locking, with S-pack, with spindle. These are its main feature as you can read on the screen. This is offset Cremon with multi-point locking. This restricts here. Now this is the bumper plug which is explaining the same. This is called bumper plug or a stopper, which is used so that this handle will not bang with this shutter. This restricts here. This is the sash blocking device. This is the test bag used inside. Hope you understand. We'll go through these videos in the next part of our training after completing this. Hope you understand this. Depending upon type of profile, two different models are there. This is a meshed shutter type of roller, which is typically used for light shutters. Again, another type. This is a complete kit in which 4 rollers, 2 bumper plugs, 4 track, 2 track, 2 shutter kit is it is there. A complete kit which includes 4 rollers, then 2 or 4 bumper plugs, then 4 machining caps, then 2 anti-dust plugs, sash alignment plugs, etc. Similarly, another kit is there. This is bibliography of or BOQ of the material, in which one handle, one nib, one counter plate, 8 corner joints for the shutter, 4 corner joints for the outer, and 4 rollers are being shown over here. Then anti-rattling plug, then bumper plug is shown, then caps, a drainage cap. This is a whole are required actually to make the window working very well. This is another kit for 27mm series. Yet another kit. For the system companies and all, this is the kit which is already done. Only they give the code number, and after putting this code number, whole complete kit goes and it works very well. The basic concept is you save the time. Everybody saves time in this. if the working is already done. Here, yet another rails are there, especially where the smooth performance of the window is required. It is suggested to use as SS made 304 stainless steel rails are there, which are inserted in the track profile as such that the length is 3.25 meter long. It comes. This will come 6 point up to 6.8 meters, and it works very well for the roller with the groove. Okay, this is the next part is lift and slide. As such, we are not selling lift and slide now, unless and until the big orders are there. We can think about it. I switch on to our Cotswold catalog of sliding. The same part is being covered in this as also, in which we have already got introduction about the Cotswold accessories in the morning, and here you will find that flush handle is there. This is the icons which are used in this catalog. How to share what this icon stands for are been mentioned here. You go through these details. This is the flush small handle, which can come with automatic as well as manual option. These are the machining details which are used for it. Machining details are shown in the red above to fix the handle. This is how the handle is required to be fixed. This is the big handle, manual as well as automatic. 802 is manual, whereas 802 is automatic. These are the machining details which are used for it. This is the flush handle big with fork, which is used in multi-point locking. Then the linear straight handle. The straight handle is used for multi-point locking. The handle comes with two-side handle as well as one-side handle with key. This is the S-pack, which is used for the locking. The S-pack comes in two types. One is mushroom type as S-pack. This is schematic representation of the accessories, how they look. This is the mushroom type of S-pack with 15 back set. And these are the code numbers of its length. This is another S-pack, which is hook type of S-pack, which again comes in the different lengths. And the S-pack comes here. The S-pack comes with the cylinder, where you want to lock the window and go outside as such in the accessible area. It looks like this. These are called the adapters, which are fixed below the S-pack so that uh, they work properly. And depending upon Indian series, those are been already segregated here: 27 series, 29 series, 32 series, 35 series, 37 series. Okay, these are the single fork flush handle with multi-point locking S-pack and details. And you can see here a single fork is operational with this type of S-pack, and this rotates here. Recently, we have, not recently, a time before we had done a mock-up for this, and its video was recorded. I'll just try to highlight you. This is this is the handle, how it looks. Going back, I will just show another video in which we have done the mock-up. Flush handle with multi-point locking. I will just
New hardware proposal in which we have multi-point blocking in sliding with the flush handle. ये फ्लश हैंडल है, इसके साथ मल्टी-पॉइंट ब्लॉकिंग किया है, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो 1800 mAh का स्लैग है और जिसके अंदर ये 1 2 3 4 ब्लॉकिंग पॉइंट्स हैं। अब ये हार्डवेयर किस तरह से लगते हैं इस वीडियो में हम दिखाना चाहेंगे। तो इसके अंदर हार्डवेयर मेनली ये होते हैं, ये प्लग हैंडल है, 4 कॉलम निकाल। इसके साथ जो पिन लगा है वो है, ये स्लैग है, स्लैग के नीचे एडाप्टर्स हैं और स्क्रूज हैं जो हम नेक्स्ट चीज में कुछ देखेंगे। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो ये मल्टी-पॉइंट ब्लॉकिंग स्लैग है और ये मशरूम इसके ब्लॉकिंग पॉइंट्स हैं और इसको ये जो कुछ होल्ड सॉकेट्स दिए हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ये 7 जगह पे से इसको लूज करेंगे लोग और पीछे का एडाप्टर्स और ये सब ये दिखाएंगे। नॉर्मली प्लस 2 लगना चाहिए यहाँ पे, इसी वजह से फिटर ने प्लस 2 लगाया है। प्लस 2 4 वाला अच्छा होता है। फिर हमने जो है सारे निकाल दिए। आप मसूर आओगे तो ये यहाँ पे इस तरह से ये इस तरह से स्पैक है, जिसमें यहाँ पर सेंटर में आप देख रहे हैं कि जो है कनेक्टिंग पिन दिया गया है 8 mm डायमीटर का और नीचे जो है प्रोफाइल के अंदर हम अभी देख रहे हैं एक कैविटी फॉर्म होने के लिए इसको एडाप्टर्स कहते हैं। ये एडाप्टर्स लगे हुए हैं, ये 4 और 3 7 एडाप्टर्स लगे हुए हैं और ये हैंडल की डिजाइन और रचना है जिसके अंदर ये सिंगल फोक होता है, उसको ऑपरेट करते हैं। इस तरह से इसका ऑपरेशन सभी ये किस तरह से फिक्स करना लोन दिखाएंगे। इसे यहाँ से आपको पुश करना है, ये यहाँ से पुश करने पर निकल गया, ये निकल गया हैंडल। इसलिए आपको 19.5 और ये जो कुछ भी यहाँ से यहाँ तक का लेंथ है उतना स्लॉट करना होगा अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रोफाइल और ये इसमें अटैच होकर ये इसको चला रहा है। ये पीछे उसका ये पीछे उसका कैविटी फॉर्म होते होल्स में से ये चल आपको ये फिर से लगा के बताऊं। सबसे पहले ये हैंडल यहाँ पे दिखाओ, ये हैंडल बॉटम के अंदर ये दिया हुआ है, इसको यहाँ पे डाल के इस तरह से इजीली स्नैप करना है। इसको यहाँ पे ये पर्टिकुलरली इस स्लॉट के अंदर जाना चाहिए, ये पिन इस स्लॉट के अंदर जाना चाहिए, इसको उठा के स्लॉट में कैसे जाएगा यहाँ पे पिन के अंदर अडॉप्ट हो जाए। सिर्फ फिर से देखना है कि नीचे के अडॉप्टर्स हैं और वो एंगेज है, ये चल रहा है एंगेज है, फिर इसको रिलोकेट करने के लिए इसको फिर से रिलोकेट करेंगे पेन और इसमें इस तरीके से आपको ये सारे स्क्रूज टाइट करने हैं। फिर से नीचे के एडाप्टर जो प्लास्टिक कंपोनेंट है टाइट कर देते हैं। इस वीडियो का जो नंबर दिया है ये
Hope you did this video is clear for you to understand flush handle with multi-point locking option, in which flush handle is a requirement of the customer to be used for the multi-point locking.
please let me know on the number which is given on this video. Hope you understood.
Moving further, this is again the flush handle with multi-point locking handle, all the aspect sizes, handle code and other details. Another option with the multi-point locking is with the Cremon, in which this is the Cremon which is used in the casement. These are the connecting blocks. This is the nib. This is the nib holder, and this is the connecting polyamide rod or aluminum strip. And these are the accessory handles which are used in casement series. The same handles are used here. Straight handle, offset handle, longer fork with key, 2-point locking handle. This is the nib holder. This is the nib. This is the connecting devices, and this is the polyamide strip, and this is its roll. We'll go through a few of the videos for it.
So we are going to show you multiple locking in 37 panel.
This is typically a 37mm series.
Above series or even 20 series also it is used. This is called knee holder. This is the knee fixed. This is the rod. This is the handle along with the connection device. This is how it operates. This is unlock position and this is lock position. This 15-20 euro channel is required in this sliding profile to use these hardware. We are going to show you multi-point locking in 37 and above series or even 29mm series also it is used. This is called knee holder. This is the knee fixed with it. This is the rod. This is the handle along with the connection device. This is how it operates. This is unlock position and this is lock position. This 15-20 euro channel is required in this sliding profile to use this hardware. Now, first of all, we will disassemble this handle and again we will show you how to assemble it. Remove the caps. Remove the remote hose. Very good. This is the handle. We could do for also. So we'll explain how to put this into both. It is very simple. This is a slot which is required to fix this type of handle. If two forks are there, the bigger slot is required. This is the Euro channel, which fixes in this very well. This is the holding device. Inserts in this group. And this is a technique holder. It's the move index. And also adjustment of it is possible with the help of this also. You can take it ahead or back. If in case you have this type of two fork handle, there is this maker, this connection device is changed with this. You have to insert this one and this one. This you have to make a hole and we have to use this. And this will, as this will operate like this, both will go in two directions like this. In case if you are using this type of single fork, another option would be you have to use this and you have to put these two ports here in here. And with the help of these two poles, this will operate, the rod will operate up and down. Now simply you have to fix this with the help of this and you have to fix this and you again put the rod and fix this. You simply have to insert this in the header. Also depending upon your working points, you can increase. Depending upon number of floating points, you can increase the snake holder and very simple. This is input of the address. This in front of, as you can see here, in the slot, and again you have to fix the handles as it is. Now you have to type this only for screws. One. You have to fix these gaps. That's simple as it.
Did you understand this concept?
This is a short video showing.
Okay, very good. Coming back to slide. Again, these are the rollers. Double adjustable roller with as you can see here, this is applicable in 37mm sliding shutter. You have two rollers is 4 ball bearings, means with per shutter is 160 kgs. Okay, this is its compatibility check which has been shown. It is having an adjustment of 4 mm. It can take 2 mm above, 2 mm below. Similarly, double fixed roller for 37 mm series again. Capacity of 2 roller, 4 ball bearing per shutter 160 kgs. It can go up to. Then single adjustable roller. Adjustment is possible with this. Capacity of 2 ball bearings or 2 per shutter is 80 kgs. 35 mm similarly we have option with double adjustable roller with the capacity of 120 kgs. Whereas in with double fixed rollers in 35 mm series and having option of 120 kgs again. 27 or 37 mm series we have similar roller which is having a capacity of 160 kgs with 2 rollers or 4 wheels, and its compatibility check is shown over here. Again with double fixed roller having 160 kgs of capacity. Single fixed roller in 27 or 29 mm series is also there with 80 kgs of capacity. And lastly, single fixed roller in 27 or 29 mm series with 40 kgs of capacity. Per shutter, weight shouldn't exceed about 40 kgs. But in this also possibility is there by increasing the type of roller bearing inside use by increasing the capacity to 80 kgs or 60 kgs at least based on customer requirement. Type of strikers, this is flush type, this is a counterplate which is flush type. This is smaller one, this is the bigger one in it. This is a concealed type of counterplate or keep it inserted in this type of insert type of shutter. There is a video explaining this. This is also a new insert type of sliding.
Hello friends. Today we are going to explain you a type of counterplate used in sliding, where insert type of counterplate is required. In this particular model, we are giving the counterplate which fits like this from the front and is having a holding nuts from the back side. We will just show you how it opens. Can you just open this? This is like this, as you can see here, and it happens to focus एक मिनट consider. As simple as this. To hold on. Depending upon customer, depending upon profile to profile difference, this is sort of a universal counterplate, but we can improve the increase or decrease the nut length and in the width and thickness to make it applicable in different type of profiles. Hope you understood. If you have any questions, let us know on the number which is given in the video in the title. Thank you so much.
Here there is another video explaining.
Hello friends. Today we are going to explain you a type of counterplate used in slide.
Put here sliding insert Right. See that the insert type of counterclip is what. Paragraphs too, you can add it. Hope this is clear. Coming back, this is the concealed type of counterplate. This is called. This is again concealed type of counterplate. This is also concealed type of counterplate, which is made a slot and it is used. This is another concealed type of counterplate. These are the nib which are used in the small flush handle. These are its popular series in India 27, 29, 32, 35, 37. This is its compatibility check shown over here. These are the nib or hooks which are used for bigger handle, Cotswold made. And this is its compatibility check shown 27, 29, 32, 35, 37 mm. These are its certificates, small handle cert, 25,000 cycles it has been passed and tested. And bigger handle certification is also there. This is the scan copy which is available. We'll go through the videos before we end this session so that we all are aware about accessories what we have sold and which is available with us in our kitty. And most of the accessories which are required in the sliding we do cover in Cotswold as well as in the master range. The only thing is we have to strongly pitch it. Marketing as well as sales team should focus on it. And I'm just showing through you. We'll go straight away in this. This is a video in which we have shown how the shutter, if you look at me, if it is 90-degree joining in the corners, how it will work has been shown in this video. Counterplate is fixed in this. Format in the sliding. Counterplate is fixed here in this shutter and its sliding and flush handle nib and counterplate has been used in this.
Hello friends, today we are going to show you the multi-point.
Is this everybody looking at the video or the hope this is not a boring session. I feel that since there are no questions, I'm finding that you're sleeping, guys.
No, sir. No, sir.
After food, especially the second session is a little boring. I understand. Okay.
Locking with flush
This is
handle
a 27 mm
27
sliding
mm series. As you
in
can
which
see here, this
how
is
the accessories
typical
are being
27
fixed
series
is being shown
in
over
which
here.
from multi-point locking with flush handle has been used. Now I'm trying to explain you what all components are being used in this. As you can see, this is the cable flush handle. Then another component is here is the Eurogroup C channel. This is Eurogroup with the locking. The number of locking points can be increased in this. This is and drive lock pin, and one you can see here is the packer given below the C channel. Hope I'm able to explain you. You can see here, this is the packer which is used to as an support from the backside, and packer is used inside the wall. Now I will show you its locking and unlocking. This is its function.
We have done a complete big project with
Depending
this
upon how
concept.
the locking
The
point
project name is Raymond's
concentrate is
in Mumbai.
need to be selected.
The Raymond project is done on the same concept, same handle, same S-pack, same nib has been used,
This is
and similar
cross-section
counter
fixing
plates are used from the backside. The concept remains
Okay,
the
understood.
same.
Video.
The Raymond's project in
Please go.
Mumbai,
Thank you.
Wadala. Big project.
Sliding with multiple topics with Raymond handle. These are its main features. The other side is single point lock. And these are its main features. Roller column landscape perspective. This is how the window opens. This is one stopper which will resist the floating. This is how it locks. This is a single point lock. The access which I can use this type of handle. And it's very topping. You have nip, outlet, and the rollers in one. इस वीडियो में हम लोग समझाने वाले हैं ये लवर का मल्टी क्लिप हैंडल है, ये एस्पेक्ट है और ये स्लाइडिंग का शटर है। नॉर्मली जो लगाने की प्रोसीजर होती है उसके अंदर ये इस तरह से यहाँ पे लगेगा, उसके पीछे अडाप्टर आएंगे और ये पंच होके इसमें से इस तरह से लगेगा। अभी हमने समय बचाने के लिए ये जो खोला हैंडल, तो एक हैंडल के अंदर ये दो स्क्रूज आते हैं जिसको हमने इसके अंदर लगाया। इसके बीच का जो गैप दिख रहा है यहाँ पे प्रोफाइल आ जाएगा और ये जो दो पाइप्स होते हैं ये इनके दोनों के बीच में जितना स्पेसर रिक्वायर्ड है उतना कट करके लगाया जाता है ताकि इसके अंदर का गैप मेंटेन रहे। इसमें टिपिकली एक बात को समझना था एज एन पार्ट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी कि कभी कभी ऐसा दिल में ख्याल आ सकता है कि भाई ये सेपरेट होता है स्पिंडल, ये स्पिंडल इसमें से अगर निकालेंगे तो कभी गिर नहीं जाए। इतनी काफी टेस्टिंग किया हुआ है, 25,000 साइकिल में ये हैंडल टेस्टेड है विद द सेम प्रोसीजर। उसके अंदर अगर आप देखते हैं तो ये चलना ही चलना है और इसको कट करके यहाँ पे लगाने के बाद इसके अंदर मान लो कि मैंने अभी इसको इसके अंदर इस तरह से लगाया, यहाँ पर इस तरह से आएगा यहाँ पे, तो ये लगने के बाद ये इस तरह से आएगा, सॉरी यहाँ पे लगने के बाद इसके हैंडल यहाँ से इतना कट हो जाएगा। अगर आप टेक्निकल पर्सन हैं तो समझ जाएंगे ये हैंडल यहाँ से इतना कट हो जाएगा और ये यहाँ से इसमें से फिक्स हो गया और ये फिक्स होने के बाद ये बंद हो गया। तो इसके हैंडल के रिप ऑफ हो गए, हैंडल के बाहर निकल कर गिरने के कोई चांसेस नहीं, क्योंकि ये शटर कभी भी ऐसे नहीं होगा। ये चूंकि शटर में लग रहा है तो शटर हमेशा इस तरह से ही चलेगा। ये शटर कभी भी मान लो ऐसे भी हो जाता है कभी ये गिरेगा नहीं, और उल्टा भी हो जाएगा तब भी इसके अंदर यहाँ से लॉक होने की वजह से स्क्रू ये कभी नहीं गिरेगा। हमने काफी हजार बहुत स्पिंडल इसमें से कभी नहीं गिरेगा और हमने काफी यानी थाउजेंड्स बहुत सारे हजारों हमने इसके हैंडल बेचे, हमको एक भी ऐसा क्वेरी नहीं आया इसके अंदर से स्पिंडल निकल के गिर रहा है, क्योंकि ये इसका पोजीशन ऐसे होता है, ये ऐसे नहीं होता इसका पोजीशन। तो स्पिंडल के गिरने का इसमें पॉसिबिलिटी जीरो है और इसका हम गारंटी वारंटी देते हैं। थैंक यू। Rod neck handle with multi-point locking. This is unlock. This is lock. 4 points of locking are there. 2 points. Another one at the top. One more here. And at the second position, there are 4 packers used along with suitable packer below. Marking has been taken. In this, how to take the marking? The simple position, simple is I will just show you. Now the handle is in the lock position, so you have to take the marking of this as such that this should be locked in this way, and whenever you unlock, now this is unlock. As you can see here, press unlock. So lock करना, अब unlock करना. Okay, the same marking has been reproduced here on the shutter frame. And after dragging this here, this has been used. The marking has taken here, and the same is been applied and screwed here. And now you can see it's locking very well. You can see this is now locked from 4 point. This one. Hope this is clear. If you have any questions, let me know on the number which is given above this. Thank you. So no hardware proposal, in which we have multi-point blocking in
This video
sliding
we checked.
with the flush handle. The flush handle one. With that multi-point blocking.
Can you go to
Yeah,
next
just-
video? This is proposal of one of the project. Lots of sliding projects we have done, lots of sliding, and all the proposals we have, just only necessity is to bring the project and we will complete it. Also, we have two different range of accessories. One is economical range, we can adjust in Cotswold. The other range is the premium range with the master.
Sliding window with multi-point blocking.
Flush handle with multi-point blocking.
Oops.
Check this. We check this.
Hello.
This is another type of handle with metal body. It's there in master catalog.
And the fixing is unlike in agent, it is the grub screw is still over here. You can see here the fixing is not filled. This is the fixing cap. After fixing the nip in this pocket, just need to close this. Fantastic handle. There is no bouldering over here. Make the smoother function. Hope this will gel marketing team. Hope this will gel your customer base in your region. Thank you. In this video, I would like to show you the sash blocking device. In this type of, especially this handle is in this position. It tends to hit the shutter to avoid the skating. We fix the sash blocking device over here, which should be 20 mm, having gap between these 20 mm ahead of the handle, especially handles like this or like this. We recommend to fix the sash blocking device over here like this. Thank you for watching the video. As a sliding door with single point locking and full handle, D type of handle with key type of say. Next video, I'm going to show you multi-point locking. This is a short video showing the handle to be used. This is manual. This is manual of it.
In few of the model, the only difference is
there is no screen.
while
I'll show
making
you now how to operate it automatic.
automatic to manual, manual to automatic, only removing one screw and adding the spring will make it automatic.
Fix this spring. Automatic. This is agile paper handle. That's all. Thank you. Sliding door along with K-Turbo hardware.
We check this.
This is multi-point locking. First is with S-Pack. This is handle. This is the S-Pack, as you can see here. S-Pack with mushroom type of locking. Locking point 1, locking point 2, and locking point 3. This operates with the handle. Now this circuit's counterfeits. Now I lock it. It's locked. Now in other window, the multi-point locking is with the nip and nip holder. This is the nip holder, and this is its nip with the adjustment. This is the polyamide rod. This is the handle connectors. It operates like this. This is locking point 1. This is locking point 2. This is locking point 3. And this is locking point 4. And these are its insert type of counterfeits. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in the bottom, there are rollers which are functioning smooth. It is now locked. And this is unlocked. And this is its motion. Thank you.
This is the fixing of roller, which is shown in this video.
Yes.
37 mm roller, how it is fixed.
There is an option in the roller to adjust by the screw plus minus overall 5 mm is 3 mm plus 2 mm minus.
This is how adjustment in the shutter is done. This is interlock fixing.
These are the sliding windows. This is with multi-point locking with S-Pack. It's finger. These are its main feature as you can read on the screen. This offset Cremon with multi-point locking. This restricts here. This is the sash locking device. This is the S-Pack used inside with multi-point locking 1, 2, and 3. These are its lock points outside. These are technical lockers, machine door caps. This is single point locking. These are its main feature. We open it. This is its sleeve with particular paint. This is its insert type counterfeit. It's not locked. This is the range of sliding accessories which could be used in it. Thank you.
Check this. Insert type of counterfeit.
In this video, we will explain the central lock. सर ये हमने लगाया है प्रशांत सर ये हैंडल बॉक्स
type of handle is there.
ये मल्टी पॉइंट लॉकिंग टाइप भी लगाया है यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो शायद
This is Juhu Beach, famous site.
जी
The famous bungalow is there.
इसके आगे उसमें ये काउंटर पेट है 1
Almost celebrities stay over there.
3 और इसको कवर ये हो रहा है ये इस पोजीशन में ऐसे करके ये कंक्रीट के अंदर चला रहा है आपका जैसा रिक्वायरमेंट वैसा हो लगता है ये लॉक होगा तो यहाँ पे ऑफसेट भी दिया है अनलॉक ओपन लॉक इस हिसाब से सर हम बचे हुए सारे पैनल कर लेंगे आपका बंदा भी है उसने यहाँ पे कंफर्मेशन दिया है ओके करके उसी ने लगाया है तो वो ऐड करते हैं सर थैंक यू सर
This is the assembly of handle. These are the subcomponents which are used in it. If at all anybody disassemble it for coloring purpose and all, he has to fix the accessories as shown over here. Not working.
और guide cap this fix in this way in
This is called
the sliding window
guide cap.
I showed you this is specifically designed in such a way that it takes it goes and guides here it doesn't deflects like this
This is supplied to a system company.
Here.
Process handle multi-point locking.
Right here.
This is another option of process handle with multi-point locking. We have all these options in our kitty.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to see flush locking in sliding series with multi-point locking with flush handle. As you can see here, this is a typical 35 mm series Banco series shutter. This is a Cadwell Cotswold flush handle. A lot of components which are used in this. This is the drive pin which is engaged with the rod, sliding Euro type 1 rod, and this is the nip holder, and this is the nip which could be adjusted with the help of grub screw which is being used from this side. Similarly, one more, depending upon requirement of number of locking points, you can increase this length in the Euro channel. One more locking point you can add here, but make sure that the nip length is well adjusted so that there is no friction from the bottom side. Otherwise, you need to punch this particular area and intersect the nip from this other back side. Now I'll show you its operation. This is its lock, unlock operation, which is operating very easily. This is locked. This is unlock position. This is locked. This is unlocked. Hope you understood the video. If you have any questions, kindly let us know. We will be happy to reply those questions. Thank you. Flush locking with multi-point locking. I can see it.
This is the project
This is
that
the
we
flush
done in Raymond's.
It's S5. Hello. This is its. This is its S5. This is its connecting kit with the handle. This is another hook. Two hook system is this. And these are its insert type counterplate.
One of the prestigious client has done this.
For more counterplate is here. Now I will show you demo how it works. Lock. Unlock again. Unlock. It's a lock again. Lock. Thank you for watching the video. Plus locking with multi-point locking. Right cap will come here. Right pin. Locking component. As per plan, it was that's important. This is in fact locked, but as per client's request, it has made inverted. That's why it's coming lock here. This will be shifted here to red, and here it will go as a green in actual. Lock, unlock. So freely, lock, unlock, lock. Thank you.
This is 300 kgs roller with stainless steel body. This is how it lifts northwards.
Hello friends, today we are going to see the fixing of multi-click mechanism in 37 mm sliding shutter. This is the 37 mm sliding shutter. The machining
This
which is
we have
required in
sold
this
a
to fix
lot.
the multi-click mechanism
In
needs
this it
3
is
boards over
shown
here
how
where
it
you
is
need to fix the
fixed.
handle. The details of machining are shown in this drawing over here, in the drawing number 1. You can see it very well over here. 3 10 mm diameter holes are required with 16 mm slot with 13 mm wide. Very simple tools are required to fix this. This handle we are going to fix. We need these adapters. This adapter comes along with the counter plate and the screws. You need to fix this counter plates in this adapter, and you need to pass the screw by passing this mechanism. 8 adapters are required over here because the holes which are provided in these are 8 numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the foremost is 8. Now we'll see how to fix this inside the mechanism. You need to fix this adapters in this, all the 8 at the position of the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thirdly, you have to put the position of the adapters in front of the holes which are in this side or approximately this at the same distance. Then you need to fix the screw by hitting this and this one. You need to put this top of the adapters. You make sure that the holes of the stack and the adapters mesh. I'm trying to now drag the adapters in such a way these holes and the holes of adapter are matching below it. Now only it goes. Now you need to fix this holes in the adapter. All the 8 positions. 1, 2. One thing we need to note over here, you need to cut the rod length as per the requirement of profile. I checked it properly. You should be putting over this way. That's why I need to put this on the marking which I'm showing here. This is the required length. This length is not required. Now I'm going to put this on the center. Now we have fixed this all the adapters on the stack. Now we need to fix the handle. This not as already explained, we will put this in as per the size. We need to put this over here. Exactly matching. Now to and holes and tie these two screws in this over here. Now we need to fix this for the screws. Make sure that it's the whole handle. So easy. Now how to develop this. Right. I see 1, 2, 3, click on this. We'll put this in our shadow exactly in front of the locking point. 1, 2, and 3. This is the last thing. Putting position. Now I want to show one thing. Based on your height of the shutter, these are the possible lengths of the available aspect. Hope this video will help you in fixing the multi-point locking 37 mm slide shutter. Thank you for watching the video. Multi-point locking with offset.
Check this one.
See the 3 points are there.
And then this video.
ये केस स्टडी है जिसे हम दिखाना चाहते हैं कि हमारा स्प्रिंग जो हमारे हैंडल फ्लश हैंडल के साथ है ये ऑटोमेटिकली बिल्कुल सही चल रहा है। आज देखते हो तो ये 1000 और 25000 टाइटल्स भी चेक कर लीजिए, ये बिल्कुल सही है क्योंकि ये साइड से आया हुआ। अब इसको निकालने का प्रोसीजर भी काफी लेंदी है। ये इसको यहाँ से निकालना होगा, ऐसे निकालना चाहोगे तो ये निकलेगा नहीं, ये पर्टिकुलरली स्लॉट में ये अटैच है, ऐसे भी निकलेगा नहीं। इसके लिए स्पेशली कोई टूल यूज करना पड़ेगा। ये अगर चेक करते हो तो प्रिसाइजली इसको इतना मुश्किल है निकालना, यहाँ से ऐसे निकलेगा। ये इसमें इस तरह से जाएगा, यहाँ पे 9 है और यहाँ पे 2 है। अब ये सेकंड दूसरा हैंडल में चेक किया था
मास्टर हैंडल है।
तो ऐसे निकलेगा नहीं। अगले सेमेस्टर को डेलिबरेटली किसी ने उसको पॉप आउट किया है तो जाके निकला है, इसको हो सकता है इसको और थोड़ा सा अंदर डाल दीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, और बाकी आपका सब ये निकलेगा कटेगा। क्योंकि ये स्प्रिंग्स तो हमारे पास ऐसे सेपरेटली मिलेंगे नहीं आपको, ये आप मार्केट से चेक कर लेना, ये आपको मिल जाएंगे मार्केट में स्पेसिफिकेशन का टेंशन के स्प्रिंग्स इसको लगा के चेक करना, या फिर वो हैंडल करके चलो। थैंक यू। This is the revised nib for new nib for small Cotswold handle, and it is having a slot like this.
This is a
If you check
small
this,
handle Cotswold made.
so that
We
it will
provide the
be
slot in it
Just as we take on this.
so that it doesn't pops out.
Multiple docking with spike.
Offset handle. We provide a spec with mushroom type locking in it.
That comes properly used. Now put it right. You got the stops, the particular location. Flush locking with angle control. Insert type on the plate. This is our new handle with for multiple docking in sliding doors as well as the windows.
Which window?
In this today we are going to show the multiple docking mushroom type S-pack fixing in the sliding series with payment type of handle. As you can see here, this is a multiple docking along with the S-pack. Three components are required assembled, which we should show you now. It's and part assembly. This is from the long profile in which 800 long S-pack is used. This payment type of handle. This is mushroom type S-pack, and the name suggests this is mushroom type of S-pack. And the adapter which is used below this, which we are going to view now. This is the profile. And this black one part what you are able to see below here is the adapters which are used below this. Now we should this for your for the purpose. Let's start from the handle. And now we have got this, and we will try to open this now the handle.
You checked a similar video a couple of minutes back. That's why we skip this. This is another type of handle from Arete. It was how to fix it was shown over here. I just skip it. This is one of the system window where we have been supplying earlier. I just skip it. Sliding heavy 800 kilo shutter it is from Canterview. This is single adjustable roller in 37 mm series. That's all. I feel this is the basic thing what more or less we discussed. This is the end of our session. Do we have any questions? If any questions is there, let us know. Otherwise, we conclude.
Yes, Irfan bhai.
Mhm.
See, numbers of time, like multiple time you are given training on the on this Zoom call na. So
Hmm.
just plan sometime at Pune plant na. I think that would be better. I think.
Pune plant. What to be done in Pune plant?
Yeah. At least one for at least 1 or 2 days, at least.
No, I'm not little clear. What you said? What is required to be done in Pune plant?
Like practically, we can like install hardware. We can like
Okay. Practical
yeah,
installation you
hands-on,
mentioned.
hands-on. Yeah, hands-on actually.
Hands-on experience you want. Yeah, definitely
Yes,
you
yes.
can do it. You can just plan the dates and let us know. Pune is not possible to go visit. We can make an arrangement in our office itself, or our warehouse is there, because Pune is deliberately Pune is dedicatedly for actual friction stage plant is there.
Okay,
Sliding
okay.
other accessories cannot be actually maintained over there or fixed over there. We can make a provision. We are trying to make a live demo experience center. We are trying to make in our warehouse. There we can
Okay.
conduct a training, a day or 2 days
So
training.
once it will be ready, then we can plan. You can let us know when it
No,
will be
we can
ready. We
make
can
it,
plan accordingly.
we can make immediately, within a week or so. Just let us know your
Okay.
slot, so that we can make an arrangement of things over there.
If things would be ready, then we can plan. That's not an issue, na.
No
We will
problem.
let you know, na.
We will
Okay?
make it the experience center and we'll call you. No problem.
Please, please. Thank you. Thank you, Farman. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Anyone, any other questions? Both Sandeep, Tamish. Tamish is there or he has got slept?
Sir, I'm here.
Okay, you both. Okay, I thought that you were sleeping.
No,
Okay.
no, sir.
Okay, you are still awoken. Very good. Very good.
सर मैं एक दो क्वेरी जो मुझे आ रही थी मैंने शायद आपको ना व्हाट्सएप पे डाली है
Okay, okay.
आप
Let
मुझे बाद में रिप्लाई कर दीजिएगा व्हाट्सएप पे ना
problem
नो
of
इशू
if it is possible now we can the related to master control category. Do we have any sheet of its item which are available here in stock? Yes, Chetna will provide this to you. Uh,
ओके
talk with Chetna. She will.
आई गेस उन्होंने मुझे भेजा है
हाँ,
सेम टाइम ना आई मैसेज शायद उन्होंने रिप्लाई किया है मुझे
okay. Difference of applicable U groove roller and V groove roller. Same series can be compared in both. Yes. Just there is a design change, change in uh, design of wheel. Balance all is same. Balance roller is same.
एंड इट इज कंपैटिबल विद द सेम सेक्शन जिस पे वी ग्रूव अगर यूज हो रहा तो फिर
Yes,
यू
yes,
ग्रूव भी यूज हो सकता है
yes, yes, yes. Similar series. I hope this is clear your answer. We are providing only V groove loader. What is the MOQ for U groove loader? Yes, you are 1000 numbers. Is the
एंड व्हाट विल बी द लीड टाइम
lead time depending upon depending upon the roller series, the lead time could be. If it is normal from 27, 29
तुम करोगे ना
roller, the lead time could be
जो भी बिल्स दिया सारे
20
करके
days.
ना प्रिंसिपल चेक करना जो जो स्टॉक
Non-standard series, then the lead time will increase more 1 month more.
ओके लेट्स से इफ इट इज 35 सीरीज
Then it
तो
is
उसका मतलब
20
इट इज
days.
अवेलेबल
तुम्हें
Yes, it's
आईडिया ना
available.
क्या स्टॉक आया था उस दिन
It's available.
करके स्टॉक में से
ओके
अपडेट
ओके
कर
सर
लेगा ना देख ले
Okay. Any more questions? Both Sandeep, Amit Bhai,
हाँ
all.
सर मैं एक इंक्वायरी था वो डिस्कशन जो चल रहा था
Okay.
जैसे मैं एक ड्राइंग प्रोवाइड किया हूँ उसमें जस्ट पीडीएफ ड्राइंग्स है
Okay.
तो ऑटोकैड इज मैंडेटरी और इसमें हो जाएगा सर क्योंकि क्लाइंट नहीं प्रोवाइड कर रहा है वो
See
जैसे यू
what
वाला
happens.
चाहिए था
That is an casement series, I believe.
नो सर इट्स स्लाइडिंग सीरीज रोलर
Right.
का बात नहीं कर मैं
Yes. Yes. So what happens, Sandeep? Uh, Tell him clearly because we are to to have guarantee, warranty, and performance satisfaction. AutoCAD drawings or at least the series, if it is standard, if the series is 27, 29, 30, 32 or 35, 37, these are the standard series which are used in India. Okay. That particular, if you don't provide the drawing also, it is okay. We will provide you the solution and we will take guarantee, warranty also. But if at all the drawings are not standard, you have just given the track section, the track roller section, which shutter is going to fix, which track in which it is going to fix, which roller is actually adaptable, what all our accessories are required. I think in morning today I replied on it, right?
यस
This is what you are
करेक्ट
discussing.
यस्टरडे इवनिंग
Then it's impossible to give. Not us. Anybody cannot give the solution. Otherwise,
ओके
if he's not ready to give the AutoCAD drawings, no problem. Tell him, request him, and send 150 mm or 300 mm, 200 mm cut section of the profiles. Cut section
ओके
of the bottom and track if it is same. Handle section and bottom section is same. You don't need to send two different sections. But if at all it is 90-degree joint, you have to send this section also, bottom section also. And at all, if both are same, you just need to send the shutter section, the track section, 200 mm long. I will check, I will generate the drawing, and I will give you the suitable solution to you. Make sense?
Okay. Understood, sir. Actually, it's a standard at 27 mm series only because for V rollers, I have provided the sample. He has checked. It's compatible with it.
Okay, no problem. You just that case you don't need to send. You just take the photo and send us. You
Okay,
take
understood.
the photo need to be like this. If suppose your roller is like this, going like this, don't take the photo like this. Take the section photo like this,
Mhm.
section photo with the profile. Take the photo from like this, and you just send. I will confirm you immediately.
Okay, okay, understood, sir.
Okay, fair enough. Others,
सर एक चीज और थी
yes, yes. Ramesh, tell me.
सर, एक ना हमने स्टार्टिंग में एक वीडियो देखी थी मॉर्निंग में, बट हिंज के साथ हमने टेलीस्कोपिक आर्म यूज किया था, फ्रिक्शन लिमिट आर्म यूज किया था सर। उसमें ना वो कंप्लीट वीडियो ना उसको शटर को क्लोज करते हुए नहीं है। अगर कोई पॉसिबल हो कोई वीडियो तो एक बार प्लीज शेयर कीजिएगा जिसमें हम शटर ओपन भी कर रहे हैं क्लोज भी कर रहे हैं। रीजन ना, हमने अभी जो लास्ट एप्लीकेशन किया था जिसके अंदर हमने फाइनली टेलीस्कोपिक आर्म दिया है, वहां पे हमने पहले लिमिट आर्म यूज किया था, बट हमारे को उसमें इशू हो रहा था कि जब हम शटर बंद कर रहे थे या तो वो सैग हो रहा था या फिर वो कंप्लीटली बंद नहीं हो रहा था। अगर कोई वीडियो हो तो वो शेयर कीजिएगा।
अभी करता हूँ। अभी आपको दिखाता हूँ, फिर वीडियो भी शेयर करते हैं।
ओके ओके
आप अगर इसमें जाते हो, आप चैनल पे जाके सिर्फ जो ना यहाँ पे आप यहाँ पे टेल डाल दो। टेल टेल का वो चूंकि वो वीडियो थोड़ा लंबा था इसलिए मैंने आपको शेयर किया। आपको ये दिखाया मॉर्निंग में, राइट? आप ये वीडियो चेक करो। आपको अभी मैं शेयर कर रहा हूँ। अभी इस वीडियो को अगर ओपन करके अपन चेक करते हैं, मैं इसको थोड़ा स्पीड पे रखता हूँ।
This is limit arm. This is going to fix inside the fixed frame. This is going to fix inside the shutter
स्क्रीन
frame.
शेयर नहीं है सर।
Oh, sorry.
And
Sorry.
when you
स्क्रीन शेयर टू शेयर। अब दिख रहा है?
यस यस
it goes like this
Okay.
and comes back like this. This is the close position. If there is a tremendous wind pressure, there is a facility to have this notch like this. I'm sorry. You can put it like this. This will not come back. Now, the degree of the opening depends upon the limit arm position where you fix inside your opening. The more you fix inside, if it is side hand, more you fix towards the handle side, the more will be the opening. The less will be the opening, and if it is fixed towards the inside,
नहीं, मेरा डायट है
more
बस।
will be the opening.
थैंक यू।
In this video, we will explain you how to fix the tail chain, which is
कब अभी फॉरन
fixed
भेजे
with
थे?
arm. This is particular design.
सैंडविच वगैरह कुछ
Like this.
बनाना है?
This is the close position. It's limited
हाँ,
position.
अच्छा।
How to fix it? We will show you like here.
वड़ा पाव नहीं यार, मैं डाइट पे। हाँ, नहीं नहीं नहीं।
What is
Thank-
the
थैंक यू। दिस इज
सर,
हाउ
आई गेस ये टॉप हंग है,
हाँ, तो आपको क्या में
साइड
चाहिए?
हंग की बात है।
साइड हंग। सेम एप्लीकेशन विल बी देयर इन साइड हंग।
सर अगर इसमें 90 डिग्री ओपनिंग चाहिए हो
तो वो डिपेंड करता है पर्टिकुलर कौन से पोजीशन पे आप लगाते हो ले जाके उसको। तो बहुत क्लोज टू बट हिंज लगाना पड़ेगा उसको, तभी जाके 90 डिग्री में हो पाएगा।
सर दैट वे डिड, बट उसमें वही प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था यार।
आपने वहीं से मुझे कॉल करना चाहिए था ना, उसी दिन कुछ वर्कआउट हो पाता था।
ठीक है, विल टेक केयर नेक्स्ट टाइम।
दैट डिपेंड्स एक्चुअली, प्रोफाइल टू प्रोफाइल इट्स डिफरेंट, एंड प्रोफाइल टू
ओके
इट्स एप्लीकेशन इज ऑल्सो डिफरेंट, और उसका कंपेटेबिलिटी चेक करना पड़ेगा पहले कहाँ पे लगा
ठीक
लगा
ठीक
सकते हैं तो वो वर्कआउट हो सकता है।
ओके
ऑलराइट,
ओके
Okay.
मोर क्वेश्चंस? डन? ओके, चलो, इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस, नो मैटर, you can just ask me on my WhatsApp, or you can email me. We will keep on doing this. We will try to cover next time casement series, be it is a window or door. Then afterwards we will do one parallel arm with automation and without automation. Okay. Let's see how the time allows. We will do or next time when you are coming for actual sales meet, you are going to come, right? Tamish, Sandeep,
Yes, I guess 27, 28.
Sandeep is also supposed to come. No? Sandeep is also coming.
Not yet confirmed.
Okay. If at all you are coming, let's see, because old people already know all these things. If any new is coming, there is some reason to make the training. AVK Sandeep, okay, you can also ask
हाँ
me
सर
sometime. Okay, you
यस
do
सर
do visit. We are trying to make one experience center, some training center in 50
ओके
square
सर
in our warehouse, where we can make an arrangement for hand-on experience by fixing how to fix the hardwares and all, which will boost your confidence more. Make sense?
ओके सर
Okay, everyone. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
थैंक
So,
यू सर
thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.